Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Now I'm just welding up the new exhaust going on. It's all taken out right now. I did a little bumper cut as well to let that air out, and I'm still sticking with that single exit exhaust. It's dual resonated. I have a 3-inch resonator in the front, and then it goes upsizes to 3.5, and that's the 3.5 right there, and then it's just 3.5 out all the way. So that's what I'm doing right now. Have it all mocked up. Thanks for Pace Auto for helping me out with that. I'm just gonna finish welding up everything here since it's all just tacked together. Got everything ready, got my purge. Don't ever forget to purge your stainless. Everything's all ready to go. Alright, I'm about halfway done welding it. It's looking pretty good so far. While I'm taking a break here, I'll explain what else I'm doing today. I'm remounting the license plate off my wing, and I'm going to be bolting it into the metal part there on the bumper that I've cut out. So it's just going to be hanging down, and I think it's going to offset kind of the empty look because the single exit's going to be on that side, and then the plate will just drape over on this side, and I think that'll be good enough. Honestly, I think that's fine. I am trying to find 10 mil wheel spacers. I'm thinking like maybe smaller, maybe 5s for the rear or something. Who knows? Fronts, I have a little space here, so I'm trying to find maybe 10s. The front splitter here is getting another reinforcement for the center. At about 150 kilometers an hour, it starts to split from the bumper, right? So I have like solid supports on the corners and almost into the center, but the very middle isn't very supported. So my splitter rods are coming in today, so I gotta set those up. I replaced the water meth hose, so it's not spraying anymore, so it's going into my engine. It was cracked. I found the crack in it, that's why it was spraying everywhere. So that's all fixed up and everything, and then tomorrow 7 a.m. I have a dyno tune. So we're going to be doing a street tune if I have the right cord and setup and everything. So hopefully I can get out there and get it working. So while I wait for that to cool down, before I put it back on the car, I'm going to remount the license plate here. I'm thinking of doing riv nuts. If they don't fit, I'm just going to self-tap it, I guess. I really don't want to, but we'll see. We'll find out. Alright, so I got one rib nut on. It didn't go all the way, it does go all the way through, but it doesn't pinch like it's supposed to. But this is like a fiberglass, so it actually just sunk itself into the fiberglass, and it actually is very, very solid. So I'm just going to set the other one up, and then the license plate will be on it. So that's a little tight. Just got to hone it out a bit.
Yeah, that sounds bad.
Just a touch, though. You don't want to do it too much.
Respect her!
Okay. Alright, license plate is mounted. Alright guys, everything's in place. Exhaust is back on. Oh, that looks deadly. Let's do a sound check.